every few days, and this is called exfoliating the skin. Take a bowl and add about 2 teaspoons of coarse sea salt and 2 teaspoons of olive oil, preferably extra virgin olive oil. And now add a teaspoon of almond oil. Mix it well, and with the help of a cotton ball, apply it on your face and neck in circular motion. Leave it on for a few minutes and then wash it off with water. This not only exfoliates the skin but moisturizes the skin as well, giving it a fresh look. Take a cup of granulated sugar and add about 1/4 cup of olive oil to it, and also add about 10 to 12 drops of lavender oil, or you can use any other essential oil as well. Mix this really well and you can use it as a home scrub. Use this scrub couple of times a week to see the difference and store